Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying list data structure, and in today's video we will see the implementation of list method count. First, create an empty list. L is equal to, we are using list function to create an empty list. Now we will see all the methods available inside this empty list. L_dir, L control, and this will display all the methods, and in this you see the count method. Let's check the information regarding the count method. l.count question mark, let's shift enter. You can see l.count receives a value and returns the number of occurrences of that value. It is a built-in function or method. Means in the argument of the count method you will receive an element. It will count the number of occurrence of that element inside the list and return that count. Now we update our list. L is equal to, and we have some repeating elements in our list. So I am adding 3 integers, 2 strings, p comma p, and 2 sublist inside it. Sublist contain element 10, 20. While giving a string, single quotes or double quotes is valid. Means if you represent a string in a single quote, that's valid, and if you represent a string using double quotes, that's also valid. Now we run, if it returns a count, therefore to receive the count we use the count variable. Count is equal to l dot count function, and we pass it element 1. The output of this value should be 3 because 1 is repeating thrice in the original list L. Click on the cell, run the cell. We have count variable and we print the variable count, and it has a value 3. If we pass it a string, you can pass it directly or you can pass it by storing first in the variable and then specifying the variable. See the count variable, it will give the output as 2. Now we pass it a sublist. Suppose we create the sublist as L2, L1 is equal to, and the sublist contain 10, 20, and we pass it the value object L1. The output of this should also be 2. Click on the cell, run the cell, and print the count. Output will be 2. Suppose we increase the occurrence of the object sublist which contains the value 10, 20, run the cell again, click on the cell, run the cell again, print the value of count, it should be 3. So count function, count method inside the list object gives the count of occurrence of the element inside the list which it has received inside its parameter. That's it about this today's video. Thank you, thanks for watching. Do hit subscribe button for more such technical content, and see you in the next video.